Hello and welcome. This is Ahmad Ali from AffiliateMarketingBreakthrough.com coming to you today with another video. And today I want to share with you a very interesting thing. It's actually my brand new funnel that I've created recently, which is called Infinity Lead System. Now, you may have already came through this one or maybe not. Now, the main purpose for creating this funnel is to help affiliate marketers, network marketers, or people who just want to start making money online. They just want to get into the affiliate marketing. They are total newbies and they want something built for them, done for them. So they will be able to start taking action right away, not worrying about building something from scratch. So this can help lots of people. And even for those who are intermediate or experienced marketer, they can use the system to build their own email list fast, generate traffic, and at the same time generate multiple income streams while promoting two of their primary businesses in the system. So they can simply just embed two of their primary businesses in the system and start generating traffic to them on autopilot while promoting the same single funnel. So the main benefit actually of this funnel is going to help people to generate leads, which is the main benefit. That's why we call it Infinity Lead System. And actually, it can be even more. And this figure here is very realistic, as you're going to see by yourself if you go through the funnel, because the main program in the funnel is designed to generate leads virally. So there is a viral list building component built into the system, which is going to help you leverage other people's efforts to send you viral leads on autopilot. So if you want to take a look at the system and get your copy, you can click on the first link in the description below to get access to this page that you see here and watch this video to learn how the system works. And after you watch the video and understand the basic concept about it and how it works, you can click on the button below the video and it's going to take you to the next page, which is the steps page. And here you need to just complete 4 simple steps and you have to follow the instructions here in order. Don't try to skip any one of the steps and move on to the next one before you complete the previous one. That is crucial. And that applies also to the training area of the system. So after you get into the steps page here, you need to start following the steps in order. Start from step 1, watch the video carefully, and sign up for the first program here, which is the viral list building program. This program is going to help you to generate leads. After you complete this step, you'll scroll down for step 2, and here you're going to sign up for a couple of traffic generation programs. Make sure to watch this video carefully all the time. Okay, always make sure to watch the whole videos. After that, scroll down and sign up for the funnel builder system. Also, you can do that for absolutely free. And finally, watch the last video about the making more money and check the additional 2 programs recommended by your sponsor here, because those may be a very helpful and useful program to help you make more money, generate more leads, generate more traffic. So yeah, I would highly recommend to check them out and decide if you want to go for them or not. Okay, now after that, you can scroll down here and click on this button, but make sure to do that only after completing all the steps on this page. Okay, so after you complete all the 4 steps here, click on this button which says continue to the training area. It's going to take you to this training sign up page. I would recommend to watch this short video. After watching the video, you can click here to get free access to the system. As you can see, it's $0, so there's no any payments. After you click here, it's going to take you to this checkout page. All you have to do to get access to the Infinity Lead System training area is to fill in this form with your first name, last name, and add your primary email address here. Make sure to enter your primary email address so you will receive access to the training area in that email. Okay, after that, click on free access. There is no any payment or credit card required here, and that's going to redirect you to the training area. Here you're going to watch the overview video to learn what you have to do first, and after that, after completing all the steps here, you're going to go through the training module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4 in order to set up your own copy of the system and learn how to start generating traffic. And on the marketing tools section here, you will have access to done for you marketing tools. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see multiple banner ads. You can see there are many banner ads done for you that you can use. There are also some email swipes. You can click on any one of the links here. It's going to open the email swipe on another page. Also, there are some text ads here, lots of text ads, and in addition to Facebook tools. And I would highly recommend to promote the bridge page directly, but in case you prefer to use a capture page, then you can have access to detailed training here to copy some done for you capture pages. However, I don't recommend that because actually the system gonna build your email list automatically by promoting the viral leads generation program. So I don't want you to put another layer of sign up to a capture page before they get into the system. However, it's up to you. If you want to go for it, then there are some done for you capture pages here if you want. Okay. After that, also there are some splash pages that you can copy as well with the sharing codes here. Also, there's a training here. If you don't know how to copy them, you can click on this button. It's going to take you to another page with some training here to show you how to use those splash pages. Also, there is another thing. If you scroll up here to the top, there is the Pro Funnel. So if you click on this Pro Funnel button at the top, that's going to take you actually to a very interesting thing, which is the Pro version of the Infinity Lead system. So now you have the opportunity to claim the Infinity Lead system Pro version, which is much more powerful than the main version here. However, the main version is really powerful and great. If you want to continue using the basic version, that's fine. But I would recommend, after you set up your basic version, is to take a look at the pro version and decide by yourself if you want to go for it or not. This is going to help you to generate much more traffic and build your email list unlimited levels deep, which is really, really powerful. So yeah, I'll recommend that you watch this video to learn how it works and also learn about the amazing and incredible bonuses that you're going to get here. There are some exclusive bonuses that you'll be able to get here, and you can learn about them in the video. So I don't want to talk about them in this short video because I don't want to make it very long. In addition to those main exclusive bonuses. So yeah, that's it for this video. I wish you great success and make sure to take action right now and click on the first link in the description to claim your copy of the Infinity Lead system right now. And I'll see you inside. Now, one more thing. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, click on the subscription button below. Also click on the notification bell to get notified when I create any new video. I create videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, lead generation, and other related topics. So make sure that you don't miss any one of my future videos by subscribing to my channel right now. And also don't forget to activate the notification bell. So that's it for now, and I'll see you on another video.